Yesterday was a sunny day. I walked along the forest way.
Walk, walk, walk.
I saw a flower, bright and red. It's so pretty, Races said.
He said,
It verbs or irregular ones. Learning grammar can be fun. It happened then, it's finished now. Let us show you when and how. Let us show you when and how. Leo jumped over a log.
jump,
He played tag with the little frog.
play, 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 play.
We learned our words, we ate our cake beside the blue and quiet lake.
Yum, yum.
Last night, 2 days ago, I was there, you were there. The time went by, the sun fell from the sky. We sang the song, we had our fun. Now our busy day is done. I did it, it's done. I did it.